We've been working with 3D printers for years now, constantly asking ourselves how the process of 3D printing could be improved. So we lined up the most occurring problems and set out to create a printer that we ourselves would be thrilled to work with. One of the first things that struck us is that most other printers can only print one type of material. So we wanted a printer that would operate with exchangeable extruders and would print all sorts of materials. What if a printer would come with extruders for ABS, PLA, wood, biorubber, nylon, bronze, silicone and ceramics? Maybe even an extruder for pastes, excellent for printing food like chocolate. We would love to print different kinds of plastics. And with a granulate extruder, we can. Wouldn't it be great if the printer's software recognizes the electronic printhead, so no other computer is needed to operate it, although it has to be possible to connect to other devices? And what if calibrating the print bed is history? Printing would be extremely accurate if the print bed was fixed, heated and isolated. And preferably low noise. Of course, we would use industrial standard parts to make this 3D printer a premium quality device and make it portable using a safe and dust-free hard case. Now we did all this. Meet the focus. It is up and running now and we are extremely proud. But we need your support to take the Focus into production. Focus by Flow, the multi-material, portable, premium quality 3D printer.